Welcome back, Knowledge Keepers. Today we have an exciting video for all the WordPress users out there. In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 most have WordPress plugins for 2023 that will supercharge your website and take it to the next level. So let's dive right. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates on WordPress tips and tricks. And guys, if you are interested in getting your hands on these amazing plugins, I made it super easy for you. You can find all of these plugins in the description below. Just click on the Google Drive link and you'll have access to these fantastic tools for your WordPress website. For websites SEO and security, first up we have the Yoast SEO plugin. It's a game changer when it's come to optimizing your website for search engines. With Yoast SEO, you can easily manage on page SEO elements, create XML site maps, and improve your website's visibility in search results. Next on the list is Akismet. Say goodbye to spam comments and contact form submissions with this powerful anti-spam plugin. Keep your site clean and secure, ensuring a pleasant experience for your visitors. For performance and speed, the W3 Total Cache plugin is must for 2023. It enhances your website's performance by catching static content, reducing page load times, and optimizing overall user experience. Smush is another fantastic plugin in this category. It helps optimizing your images without sacrificing quality, resulting in faster page loading and improved SEO rankings. For website builders, Elementor is the go-to page builder for WordPress users. Its drag and drop interface allows you to create stunning custom page layouts without any coding knowledge. Take your website's design in the next level with this plugin. For e-commerce, for all the online store owners out there, WooCommerce is the ultimate plugin. Easily set up and manage your e-commerce shop, handle payments, and showcase your products professionally. For security and backups, security is important in 2023, and that's where Jetpack comes in. This all-in-one plugin provides site stats, protect against brute force attacks, and offers automated backups to keep your website safe. Speaking of backups, Updraft Plus is must-have. With just a few clicks, you can schedule automatic backups of your site's data and restore it easily in case of any mishaps. For interaction and communication, interaction with your audience is vital, and that's where WP Forms shines. Easily create and manage contact forms, feedback surveys, and their interactive elements to engage with your visitors. And if you need a simple and flexible contact form solution, Contact Form 7 is also a go-to option for 2023. Customize your forms and manage multiple contact forms effortlessly. So guys, that wraps up our list of top 10 must-we-have WordPress plugins for 2023. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with fellow WordPress users. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.